Hello everybody, Adam Ola here with eCommerce, and today we're going to be talking about 5 steps to a successful product design. Let's go. So you have a new idea for a product, but you don't know how to take that idea from concept to reality or navigate the requirements for manufacturing. Let's talk about the 5 things you need to keep in mind while doing this. Step 1, define the what and the why. Before you can determine how a product is going to be designed, you need the what, as in what the product is designed to do, and the why does it need to do that thing. The best way to determine this is through market research. And you need to know things like what your customers need, what their problems are, who the competitors in the landscape are, etc. The point of this is to make sure your idea is feasible from a technical standpoint and from a people want it standpoint. Step 2, create design concepts. This is where you turn your concepts into ideas. So with the help of designers, using things like sketches, wireframes, 3D modeling, it's a way to create a prototype for your product so that later on, you know exactly how to build. Step 3, make prototypes and test. Prototypes are a way of making your product out of simple materials so you can see what it looks and feels like. It'll answer questions like, is the product aesthetically pleasing? Does it do what it's supposed to do? Does it fit? Is it the right size? All of these things with simple materials are the best way to go at the initial stages. With that said, please keep in mind that prototyping is not a one-time thing. You may have to go back to the drawing board quite a few times. Step 4, form a detailed design. Once you have a prototype that you're happy with, you need to go back to the drawing stage and make sure that everything is nailed down to a T. The prototype will give you an idea of what the product will look like generally, but in terms of the small, fine details, this is the step in which you refine everything that you've built. The main goal of this step is to maximize manufacturability by understanding your cost of materials, amongst other things. Step 5, create the final design. In this step, everything should be locked down. So if you need to make changes, you need to go back to step 2 or 3, but you're done. You send everything to the manufacturers, you make sure that all the requirements are met, and you're off to the races. If you need to know everything that you have to send over to the manufacturer, please feel free to read our article from this week. We'd love for you to take a look. A special thank you to Gembah for teaching us how to do this. We are very grateful for the knowledge that you've shared. And again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us. We love to hear from you. See you next time.